What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged.
Not gonna fit. Fits now. Man, it is a beautiful night here in Michigan. I cannot believe it. Almost 80 degrees and we're cooking. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. It's sweating. Oh. Now it reads right now that it's 145 degrees. Using that Pit Boss probe. Let's check the pellet situation. Wow, we're using a lot of pellets. I'll refill that probably right now. I guess because I'm not smoking the meat and I got a higher temperature, it's using more pellets, of course, because higher temperature. What a brainiac, huh? Jiminy Cricket. Folks, I am so happy you could all join me here for this Philippine-style pork lechon cookout here on the Pit Boss. I found it fitting to do this cook. The first smoker cook on the combo his and hers cooker, whatever you want to call it. Man, it's a beautiful night. I am wearing shorts. It's about 8 o'clock at night. Man, I love this stuff. Here in the glorious state of Michigan. I love it. Oh my gosh. Set your eyes upon that. So the little lady has informed me she doesn't like me cooking in the front of the house. She says it's kind of hillbilly. Don't mean to offend any of you hillbillies out there, but that's what she said. She's from the Philippines. They're like island hillbillies anyhow. Oh my God. Jeez. Alright, it is 9:03. I'm gonna call this one done. Let's see what I gotta do. Let's see what I gotta do to get this onto a sheet pan. Whew. I did it.